In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract in HoneyBook. This process is essential for professionals who want to manage their business contracts efficiently and ensure all parties are on the same page. No matter whether you're working with new clients or long-term partners, being able to send a well-organized contract is key. First, let's dive into the initial step, opening your client's project. Once you're logged into your HoneyBook account, navigate to the Projects section. Here, you'll find a list of all your current projects. Find the project associated with the client for whom you wish to send the contract and click to open it. This ensures you're working within the right context and that all details pertain to the correct client. Next, you'll want to create a new file. At the top of the project page, look for the option that says plus create new file. Click on it and then select contract from the drop-down menu that appears. Doing so allows HoneyBook to treat this new file as a contract specifically, a crucial aspect for keeping all your documentation organized. Now it's time to create your contract. You have two choices, either choose from a pre-existing template or start from scratch. Templates are a great way to save time, especially if you find yourself working with similar agreements frequently. They provide a framework that you only need to customize with specific details. Alternatively, starting from scratch gives you complete control to tailor the contract to your unique situation. With your template or blank contract open, fill in all the required details. These include essential elements such as the client's name, the services you're providing, any important dates, and other pertinent information that should be included in the agreement. Make sure all details are accurate and complete, as these foundational elements are critical for clarity and avoiding future misunderstandings. Once all details are filled, it's time to review your work. Click on Preview, which usually appears as a button on the interface. This step is crucial for ensuring that everything looks right and reads correctly. Carefully scan through the preview for any errors or omissions, as this is your chance to make final adjustments. Finally, when you're satisfied with how the contract looks and have verified that all details are correct, you're ready to send it off. Locate the Send button. It typically sits in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will send the contract directly to your client, marking the final step in the contract signing journey. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send a contract in HoneyBook. This straightforward process helps to simplify client management, ensuring you and your clients are always aligned and reducing the chance of any contractual discrepancies. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.